Welcome to Bike Zone, your trusted garage for the latest in motorcycle innovation, reviews, and deep dives into the machines that fuel our passion. Today, we're taking a closer look at a legend reborn, the 2025 Honda CBR 900 Fireblade. Known for its razor-sharp handling and featherweight performance, the Fireblade has been a defining force in the world of sport bikes since the early 90s. With the 2025 edition, Honda brings back the 900 class Fireblade name with a modern twist. Let's dive into what makes this machine a true rider's weapon on both street and track. A legendary name reimagined. When Honda first introduced the CBR 900RR Fireblade in 1992, it changed the game for sport bikes. It wasn't just about power, it was about balance. The original Fireblade pioneered the total control philosophy, combining a lightweight chassis with a powerful engine to deliver unmatched agility and ride feel. For 2025, Honda channels that same spirit but updates every detail with today's technology and performance expectations. Rather than simply scaling down the 1,000 cubic centimeters Fireblade, Honda has developed the new 900 with unique characteristics, a tribute to the original, but re-engineered for a new generation of riders looking for something raw, responsive, and unmistakably Fireblade. Design and aerodynamics, sharp and functional. The 2025 CBR 900 Fireblade cuts a striking figure. Sleek bodywork with aerodynamic winglets borrowed from MotoGP styling gives the bike a sharp and aggressive profile. The twin LED headlights are narrow and menacing, while the sculpted fuel tank and angular tail section keep weight central and mass forward. Everything about the bike's design is functional. The aerodynamic fairing reduces drag and improves high-speed stability, while integrated airflow ducts help with cooling and downforce. Riders can choose from Honda's iconic tricolor HRC livery, gunmetal black, or pearl red, each offering a distinct visual identity that honors the Fireblade legacy. Engine and performance, precision in every rev. Powering the 2025 CBR 900 Fireblade is an all-new 899 cubic centimeters inline-four engine, producing an impressive 150 horsepower at 12,000 RPM and 78 Nm of torque. This power-to-weight ratio gives the Fireblade its signature punch, making it as thrilling to ride as it is easy to control. Honda's engineers focused heavily on throttle response, mid-range torque, and usable power delivery, ensuring the bike performs just as well in urban environments as it does on the racetrack. The new lightweight forged pistons, titanium valves, and a high-revving redline make it a track day favorite, but the smooth power curve and assist slipper clutch mean the Fireblade is forgiving enough for seasoned road riders too. The 6-speed transmission is aided by a bidirectional quickshifter, enabling lightning-fast gear changes without clutch input. Whether you're powering through apexes or carving through city traffic, the 900 delivers immediate, satisfying feedback. Chassis and handling, born for corners. The essence of the Fireblade has always been agility, and the 2025 model continues the tradition with a lightweight aluminum twin-spar frame, paired with a new multi-link swing arm and fully adjustable show of big piston forks, BPF, at the front and a balance-free rear cushion shock at the rear. Handling is where the 900 Fireblade shines. Weighing in at just 189 kilograms, dry weight, the bike feels incredibly nimble under the rider, transitioning effortlessly from side to side. Steering input is light but accurate, making it easy to hit your lines whether you're on the street or a track circuit. Honda's focus on mass centralization, weight reduction, and a low center of gravity means that even at high speeds, the Fireblade remains planted and confidence-inspiring. It's a scalpel in a world full of sledgehammers, precise, calculated, and exhilarating. Technology and rider aids, total control, modernized. The 2025 CBR 900 Fireblade comes packed with the latest in rider-focused technology. At the center is a 5-inch full-color TFT display, fully customizable and easy to navigate via backlit switchgear. Riders have access to multiple ride modes, street, track, and rain, each adjusting power delivery, engine braking, and traction control levels. The Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC) system works alongside a 6-axis IMU to provide lean-sensitive traction management, wheelie control, and cornering ABS. The ride-by-wire throttle ensures smooth and accurate power delivery in any condition. The electronic package is designed to enhance the rider's connection with the bike, not interfere with it. Honda has made sure that the tech helps elevate confidence without taking away the mechanical purity that made the original Fireblade such a visceral machine. Comfort and ergonomics, sporty, yet manageable. While the CBR 900 Fireblade is undoubtedly a supersport machine, Honda hasn't forgotten rider comfort. The ergonomics have been optimized to reduce fatigue on longer rides. The seat is narrow but supportive, clip-on handlebars are positioned to strike a balance between aggression and practicality, and foot peg placement allows for spirited riding without cramping the legs. With adjustable levers, grippy tank pads, and optional seat height variations, the Fireblade 900 accommodates a wide range of riders. Whether you're hitting the twisties on the weekend or commuting during the week, it's more versatile than its racebred DNA might suggest. Pricing and market position. The 2025 Honda CBR 900 Fireblade slots neatly into a category that's seen a resurgence, performance middleweights. With an expected base price of around $13,499, it's positioned below the CBR 1000RR but above bikes like the CBR 650R, offering a unique balance of performance and affordability. In this segment, it competes with the likes of the Yamaha R9, Suzuki GSX-8R, and even the Ducati Supersport 950. But with its rich heritage, focused engineering, and class-leading handling, the Fireblade stands in a league of its own for those who want raw riding joy with just the right amount of modern tech. Final thoughts: a blade sharpened for 2025. The 2025 Honda CBR 900 Fireblade is not just a return, it's a statement. Honda has crafted a bike that honors the heritage of the original Fireblade while adapting it perfectly for today's sport bike enthusiast. It's fast, lightweight, controllable, and thrilling in all the right ways. For riders who crave connection, agility, and a motorcycle that becomes an extension of themselves, the 900 Fireblade is hard to beat. This isn't just another supersport. This is the Fireblade reborn. Thanks for watching Bike Zone. Thanks for joining us on Bike Zone for this in-depth look at the 2025 Honda CBR 900 Fireblade. What do you think about Honda's move to bring back the 900 class? Is this the middleweight missile you've been waiting for? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more videos on the hottest bikes of 2025 and beyond. Until next time, ride safe, ride smart, and keep your passion burning on two wheels.